Okay, children, now, so this is exercise 11.4 and we will be discussing about question number 1. In the previous video, I just discussed about, I can go to that page where we discussed about the volume of cylinder.
Sir, I just now saw a app. It was very good. MobiGen.
Okay, chalo, chalo, ठीक है. Just after the class, we will discuss about it. So here it's pi r square h. It's pi r square h, and this is like, what's the formula of volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder, and this is the volume of cuboid. This is the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid was, like L into B into H, length into breadth into height, and the volume of cube was side into side into side, A cube. A is any measure. A is any measure with the cube is A cube. Now, children, let's discuss about exercise 11.4. The first question: given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will find surface area and which situation volume? Now, children, they have given us a situation in which, whether it is of talking about surface area or they're talking about the volume. First question, number A: to find how much it can hold. How much it can hold. This is about surface area or volume, children? This is about surface area or volume?
Sir, volume. Sir, what?
This is about volume. Yes. Whenever we talk about
Volume.
whenever we talk about holding something, like carrying, to say storing something, it's all about volume. Okay? It's all about volume. Now, question number B, children. Number of cement bags required to plaster it. Number of cement bags is required to plaster a wall.
Sir, surface area.
Surface area. Excellent. Surface area. Because surface area is all about, like painting, making plaster on a wall. How much area it covers, that discussion totally depends on surface area. All right? It's about surface area. Number C. Number C is about to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. Okay, to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. So of course, again, they're talking about filling with water and everything. So this is about volume. Yes. Devangan, in the previous class, I have discussed about, we had a discussion on some concepts of, surface area and yours, volume of various shapes. So you have missed that video or the class. So I'll be trying to upload a video afterwards. You can go through that. Question number 2. Now question number 2. Diameter of cylinder A is 7 centimeter. Diameter of a cylinder A. Let me draw a diagram first, as we all know that it's very important. It's a diagram of a cylinder. Name of the cylinder is A. This one's diameter is 7 centimeter. Diameter is 7 centimeter. So naturally, if the diameter is 7 centimeter, radius is how much? 7 by 2 means 3.5 centimeter. Radius is 3.5 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is how much? 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. This is the height of the cylinder. Okay. Now, diameter of a can. We have to deal with another figure, that is figure number B. This is a can in which the diameter is 14 centimeter. So radius is 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeter. Then height is 7 centimeter. Height is 7 centimeter. Okay, children. Now what we have to do? We have to compare. We have to compare these figures, that which one has got a greater volume. Which one has greater volume? Chalo, let's we do this. Verify it, finding volume both the cylinders. Check whether the cylinder is with greater volume also has greater surface area. They have told without doing any calculation. Without doing any calculation. Children, what is the formula of volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder.
Sir, pi r square h.
Very good. Pi r square h. I will not do any calculation, okay, children? Pi means 22 by 7. Radius means 3.5 into 3.5 as it's r square. Height is 14. I'm not supposed to do any calculation because in the question it has been told I'm not supposed to do any calculation. So here radius is square 3.5 into 3.5. Okay. Now in the next figure for this one, the formula of volume is same only. Pi r square h. So pi is 22 by 7. R is, radius is
7 by
7 into 7. Height is 14. Sorry, height is also 7, no? Height is also 7. Okay. Now children, make it a point. 3.5 and 3.5. The product of this number with 14 and the product of 7, 7 and 7. Which one will be larger? This one or this one? Just assume this. Just go for assumption.
Sir, your video is paused.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Just due to network, my dear. Just due to network. It's just due to the network. Which one has got greater value? Product of 7, 7, 7 or product of 3.5, 3.5 or 14? Which one? Of course, the product of 7, 7 and 7. It will be larger. It will be larger. Okay? Yes, children?
Sir, cylinder B.
Cylinder B. Cylinder B has got greater volume. Cylinder B has got greater volume. Now, children, if we are asked to find the total what is the next part of this question? So it has a greater volume, also has greater surface area. Now they're asking to compare their surface area. Now we will discuss about surface area. Children, how to find surface area of a cylinder? What was the formula? What was the formula?
2 pi r.
2 pi r h. Yes or no? 2 pi r?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 pi r h. This is for A. And B has also got same formula 2 pi r h. Okay? Now let us compare. Acha, they are talking about total surface area or normal surface area? They have asked about greater surface area. So let us find total surface area. Total surface area formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. Chalo, ठीक. Let us solve it. For A, 2 into pi means 22 by 7. R means how much, children? R means how much? 3.5 into radius again 3.5. Height is 14. Let us calculate this. This one we can calculate. Remove this point, you will get 10. 5s and 35. 5 2s are 10. 2 cancelled. 22 into 3.5 plus 14 is how much? 17.5. 22 into 17.5. Remove this point, you will get 10. Children, please multiply 22 and 175. Find the product of 22 and 175, please. Find the product of 22 and 175. Children, come on.
Sir, 3,850. 3,850.
50. Divide by 10. Divide by 10.
Yes, sir.
385 centimeters square.
0 got cancelled. 385 centimeter square. Now, in the next, the second part of this figure number B, for figure number B, again the same formula to be utilized. 2 pi r into r plus h. Yes or no, children? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, all right. Now, let's find this. 2 pi means 22 by 7. Radius is 7. R is 7. H is also 7. 7 got cancelled. 2 into 22 is 44 into 7 plus 7 is 14. Please do multiply 44 and 14, children.
616.
616.
616.
616 centimeter square. So, figure number B, we come to know after doing this calculation of question number 2, we come to know that figure B has got greater surface area as well as greater volume comparison to figure number A. All right? Okay? Okay, children?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
All right. Now,
Okay, sir.
okay, all right. Now, children, let us discuss about question number 3. Question number 3. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square. Let me draw a cuboid first. This cuboid has got base area. Base area means length into breadth product is 180 centimeter square. It's already given, children. The base area. Base looks like a rectangular shape. So base area is length into breadth is equal to 180 centimeter square. And the volume of this cuboid is already given, that is 900 centimeter cube. Achha, children, one thing I must say, why the unit of volume comes in cube or to the power 3, because we multiply 3 dimensions, length into breadth into height. So length is in centimeter, breadth is in centimeter, height is in centimeter. So when 3 centimeter get multiplied to each other, it becomes centimeter cube. Am I clear, children? Am I cleared? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, children, length and breadth product is given 180, volume is given 900 centimeter cube. We have to find the height of this cuboid. Children, we know that L into B into H is equal to volume. So L into B is already given, that is 180. We don't know the measure of height, let it be H as it is, and volume is 900. I repeat, L into B into H is equal to volume. L into B is 180 already given to us in the question. H is unknown. Volume we know, that is 900. So H is equal to 900 divided by 180. 0 got cancelled. 5 18s are 90. So H is equal to 5 centimeter. Height of the cuboid is 5 centimeter.